everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video I would like to discuss some of the different ways how you can apply for jobs, and they are actually very innovative ways to find a job, because most of the times we just go to different portals and we upload our resume and we wait for the employers to reach out to us, and then from there we take off. But then there are many other ways where you can actually reach out to the recruiters or hiring managers, and uh, you can just move forward with your job application. So yeah, those are the things that we will be discussing in this video. And if you are new here or if you want to subscribe to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. With that being said, let's start a discussion. So the first way is again a traditional way. So it's not like nobody gets job using traditional way, because there are many people who get job using traditional way. But then for this, your resume should be really good. And I made a video. I'll leave a card. You can watch that video, and you can improve your resume. And again, I have said in that video that I'm not a professional resume maker, but then I have been to my career service team multiple times, and then I optimized resume, and it works. So I hope it will help you guys as well. So yeah, you can modify your resume using that video. So first way is again a traditional way. You can upload your resume to different websites. So to name a few websites, I can show you. LinkedIn is there. There are many jobs on LinkedIn, so you can search there. But I personally don't like it because nobody replies to your job application. But then there are websites like Target Job, Read, and many more. I'll leave some of the links in the description. You can check out there, and you can apply for jobs there. So yeah, traditional way is always there. But apart from that, there are some more innovative ways. So let's start with those. What you can do is, if you are interested in some company, go to the company's website and go to their career section and see if there is some relevant opening for you. So let's say you want to apply for data scientist, and you saw there is an opening on that XYZ company's career service page. So once you know that there is an opening, go to LinkedIn and search someone from the organization, and try to ask them politely, can you please look into my resume, and I see there is an opening in your organization, can you please refer me to that. So that is one good way, because once you get a referral from the employee, you tend to get calls more than from the traditional ways. So this is actually a good way, and you can do that, and it actually works for many people. Now the next thing is, you might have seen on LinkedIn many people have this hiring hashtag. So they are hiring for multiple job roles. So what you need to do is go to their profile, see what all roles they are hiring for, and if something suitable is there, message them on LinkedIn, send them the connection, and tell them, I see you are hiring for so and so position, and I think I am eligible for, and I have suitable skills for this particular role. Can you please look into my resume, and if you are interested, we can proceed with the application process. So you can say things like that, and if they actually like your resume, you will get a chance to sit into the interview. Because if you are applying from traditional way, your resume will go from application or test system or something like that, ATS or resume checker, things like that. And there are chances that resume checker won't pick your resume. But then if a proper recruiter or interviewer or hiring manager is looking into your resume, maybe they will pick up some of the skills which you have and which are relevant to the job. So yeah, that way you can have something maybe. So that is again a good way. Now the next is go to meetups. So there is this meetup.com where or there is this Eventbrite or something like that. I will leave the link to both of the websites in the description, so you can check those also out, and go to those meetups, talk to people, and see if they, first try to get to know them, what they do and what they are doing. And if you feel like they are at some senior level, you can ask them, I am currently doing this course, and I am interested in this position, so do you think there is an opening, and do you think keep a resume with you, your hard copy with you, you can give them then and there, or you can ask them for their email address and you can send your soft copy resume to them. And if you are able to make a good connection there, probably they will keep you in their circle, and when they will know that there is an opening, they will let you know. And also, when you go to meetups, sometimes few people tell that we are working on this project, if you are open to work, you can join us, and then you can go and directly talk to them, and you can uh, just take off from there. So this thing also works quite well. I got my internship this way, so I can say that it works very well. And the last way that I would like to tell you is, try to find internship when you are in your course. So let's say you are doing masters in data science, and you have just now joined your course. Your course is for a year if you are doing it from the UK or maybe from Ireland. So don't try to just focus on your course. I mean, if you are very new to data science and you don't know anything, then probably I will suggest you to focus on the course for first 6 months, and then you will gain some experience, some knowledge. After that, you can start applying for internship. But if you are someone who has little bit of knowledge of data science, as soon as you join the course, try to find internships. Go to the meetups, you can find internship in meetups as well. So do all those things, and if you are able to find an internship, try to make most out of it. Try to show them that you are a very valuable addition to that company, and the work you are doing as an intern is very valuable, and they can actually hire you for a full-time role. So that is there. If you are able to impress them in your internship, there are chances that your internship will convert to a full-time offer as well. So yeah, this is what you can do. So yeah, these are the different ways you can apply for jobs. There might be many other innovative ways as well. If you know some, or if you have something in your mind, do let us know in the comment section. It will help a lot of people, and I can also give some insights. Maybe I have heard about it, but I cannot think about it at this point in of the making of the video. So it will be really helpful, and we can also have a discussion in the comment section. So do let us know in the comment section, or if you're finding a job, I will leave all the relevant links into the description. You can try those platforms as well, and you can also optimize your resume watching the video, which I will leave in the card in the description. I will leave in the description as well, or in the cards, wherever you are comfortable. And if you are learning data science notes, link is in the description. You can download the data science notes, and you can learn from there. It will speed up your process. And join our Telegram group. There we always have these useful discussions. A lot of great people are there. And yeah, so this is it. And there are more videos that I am about to make, and they are in the pipeline, like the different projects that I have done, portfolio for data science. So all those things, if you are interested, subscribe to the channel, and be a part of this nice family where we help each other. So yeah, subscribe, share, like, and comment, all those good things. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.